everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have my advent calendars for December the 19th. So let's go ahead and check out this one. And in here we have fabric clips. These are the little fabric clips right here. So these will come in handy. These will come in handy with crochet or fabric, either one. And there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those will come in great handy. So let me set this back over here so he'll quit knocking over. So those are the fabric clips. And it fell. Let me pull out one from Hearts on Fiber. Just something random. There's something random. And another drawer, and we've got green, yellow, and red and white yarns, and this is to make a magical mini elf. Here it is. So that's cool. And let's open up Hearts on Fiber. Oh, this is cute. It is a felted star ornament. I like that. That's really cute. Alright, here. And then we have from Southern Skeins. This is another pretty one. There's the one from Southern Skeins. I love that. That's one of my favorites. I love that. And just a little sneak peek of what I've been doing. I've had these done for many days now. Here is the bell from the Advent. Here is the little present from the Advent. You can actually stick things in it. What else do I have? Oh, I have the little mittens from the Advent done. I got more done. I'm just trying to find it on my desk. Oh, here we go. Here's the little Santa sack from the Advent, and you can put things in there. Here is the Christmas tree from the Advent, and I just stuck a bunch of stitch markers on it all the way around it, because I could. I also completed the lump of coal, but it's kind of buried on my desk somewhere. Oh, here it is. I found it. And there it is. There's the lump of coal. So I have completed a bunch of these. And you can see my cat is behind the box. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.